All right, so today we're going to learn about the difference between simple and compound interest. So we're going to look at this first section, which is going to explain simple interest. So Harry received $500 to open a savings account that earned 5% of the original deposit each year. Harry plans to leave the money in the account for at least 5 years. We're going to complete the table below. We're going to round any interest earned to the nearest penny. So he put $500 into the account. The percentage rate is 5%, which means 5 out of 100. Now I'm going to use the fraction form of this number, although you can use the decimal form as well. You are going to take the 5%, which is 5 over 100, and you're going to multiply 5% by 500. Do that now on your calculator. So 5 over 100 times 500 is $25. So your ending balance would now be $500 plus 25, which gives you $525 in your account. Now it says that it's only on the original deposit. So the second year, it's still a 5/100 percentage rate. So he is still earning 5% of $500. But this time, it's been in there for a second year. So instead of 1 year, it's now 2 years. So 2 years times $500 times 5% is $50. So 500 plus 50 is $550. Go ahead and fill in the rest of your table. 3 times 500 times 5% is 75, which gives us 500 plus 75, which is 575. 4 times 500 times 5% is 100, which gives us now $600 in our account. And then after 5 years and a 5% rate, you've earned $125 in interest. So the original $500 plus $125, we now have $625 in the account. Now we're going to go on to compound interest. And the difference between simple and compound interest is now we're looking at not just the first initial deposit, but every year we're going to be taking that balance and we're going to be getting a percentage rate off that balance. So the percentage rate, Barry received $500 to open a savings account that earns still 5%, but this time it's 5% of the prior year's ending balance after the first year. So on the first year, his percentage rate is the 5%. So for this one, his amount earned is $25, just like Harry's. So after the first year, he has the same amount. But in this second year, the amount earning interest is now no longer $500, but now we're looking at $525. The interest rate is still the same. The years are still the same, but the amount of money that he is earning interest on is more. So now he's earned $26.25 on his $525. So his initial start of $525 plus his $26.25, and now we're at $551.25. Now the third year, we're at $551.25 times his 5%. And he's going to earn $27.56, which is going to give him a total of $578.